Just arrived on site at Creamfields. I've got my accreditation sorted. Now I'm going to head to the Steyard to find out what rig is at this gig.
Spin that way.
Прощаться, слуху вкладывать.
22 Live have made really good progress here. The main hangs are up, the subs are in two, and the delays. So I'm going to go and speak to one of the engineers and find out a little bit more about this rig. I'm here with Nick. Nick, can you tell me what we've got in here today?
Hi Jamie, we're at Creamfields in Dursbury, just outside of Warrington. We've got a massive Martin WPL system. We've got 16 cabinets of WPL in the main hangs, and we've got 8 WPL in the delay hangs, and we've got some subs, 2 subs flown above those as well. And we've got a massive subsystem of 24 218 subs, and we've got a mixture of Taurus and WPS fills dotted around the stage to kind of fill in the audience areas right up to the barrier. We're on 1 box resolution on the main hangs, and we're on 2 box resolution on the delay hangs.
What are the difficulties in this space?
It's a big old room. There's a lot of metal work in the roof, and we want to avoid that as much as possible to keep down the reflections. We use a lot of the Martin tools. We've got such as the hard avoid to do that.
So why have you flown subs on the delays?
Well, we've done that basically for a couple of reasons. One, it's a dance festival, and the audience love that sub energy to dance to, and we can get that further down the room when we fly subs and really extend the range of the delay hangs right down into the sub frequencies. It also really helps with kind of off-site noise because it means we can drive the main system less hard to get to the back, so we're throwing less energy kind of towards the kind of villages that surround this site.
And talking of surroundings, the stages are quite close together. How are you managing off-site?
Well, the Martin system is a fantastic system for rear ejection. You don't get a lot of noise behind. We're also kind of really careful with how we trim the PA, but we kind of are quite fortunate we fire into a hill just behind us here. So yeah, that really helps to kind of keep everything fairly local.
Right, so that's it. The PA is all set up and it sounds absolutely wicked. The main hangs were 16 aside WPL in 1 box resolution. On delays, it was 2 further SXH 218s per hang with 8 WPL in 2 box resolution. And the gig was the Steyard at Creamfields.